Today I'm here in the test kitchen whipping up some Pina Colada Dole Whip with the Ninja Creami. Let's get started.
First, to make our base, what we're going to do is take our Ninja, and I've got one of our smoothie cups here, and I'm going to go ahead and place a half of a banana in. That will add some creaminess. I've got a whole container here of pineapple, and I'm going to go ahead and throw that in. So I put the juice in there as well. I have some real coconut cream here. I'm just gonna add a little bit of that just to kind of enhance that coconut flavor. And then I have Pina Colada, a naked drink here. I'm gonna give this a good shake and I will add some of that. And then I'm gonna go ahead and blend that all together. And now that it has been blended together, I'm just going to bring over my Creami Cup. We're using the Ninja Creami today to make our Dole Whip. And I will just add this in and I will put it in the freezer, let it freeze up for 24 hours, and then we'll be ready to make our Dole Whip.
It's been 24 hours. Our Pina Colada Dole Whip is ready to be thrown into the Ninja Creami. Let's do that. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the container out of the machine, take the lid off. As you can see, there's a blade in here which will spin around the Dole Whip and sorbetify it. I'm going to take the lid off, plop it into the machine, put the lid back on, throw it back into the machine, crank it up, hit the sorbet button, and we're ready to go. Super good, super delicious. I love this machine.